Feast your imagination on the golden, crispy chicken samosas, a treat that's about to materialize right before your ears. Picture the crunch, the succulent filling, the burst of flavor. Get ready to uncover the secrets of making these tempting treats at home. Before we dive into the process, assemble all the necessary ingredients. To create these delectable, crispy chicken samosas, you'll need fresh chicken breasts, finely chopped onions, a mix of vibrant spices, and phyllo pastry sheets. Don't forget the oil for frying. The secret to a mouth-watering samosa lies in the freshness and quality of these ingredients, so make sure you've got the best. With all ingredients at your fingertips, we are set to start the culinary adventure. Now, embark on the first step, preparing the chicken filling. The journey to a mouth-watering chicken samosa begins with marinating the chicken. This is where the magic happens, as the chicken absorbs all the delicious spices. Every morsel of chicken is coated with an aromatic blend of spices and then left to rest, allowing the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. As the chicken marinates, it's time to heat up the pan. A splash of oil, a sizzle of spices, and the kitchen fills with an irresistible aroma. Then, the marinated chicken enters the scene, dancing in the hot pan, absorbing all the flavors. The chicken cooks, transforming from raw pink to a golden hue. It is then shredded to the right consistency, ensuring every bite of the samosa is filled with tender, flavorful chicken. With the savory filling ready, we move on to the next exciting step. It's time to assemble these pockets of joy. The beauty of samosas lies in their perfect folds, almost like a secret envelope containing a delightful surprise. So, let's dive into the process. Start by taking a flat circular piece of dough. Cut it in half. Now, with one half in your hand, fold it into a cone. This is your canvas. Paint it with a filling of spiced chicken that has been cooked to perfection. The aroma itself is enough to make your mouth water, isn't it? But wait. Before we proceed, it's crucial to seal the edges of the samosa. Dab a little water along the edges of the dough, then press them together to create a tight seal. This will ensure that the filling stays intact while frying, and you get that perfect crispy bite every time. With the samosas assembled, we're just one step away from the final product. Now watch as these samosas transform into golden, crispy delights. The secret lies in maintaining the perfect temperature, not too high to avoid burning and not too low to ensure they're cooked through. The samosas are then gently placed in the oil, sizzling away to a perfect crisp. And remember, patience is key. Give them the right amount of time they need to reach that ideal golden hue. And there you have it, the perfect crispy chicken samosas to indulge in. Feast your eyes on these golden, crispy chicken samosas ready to be savored. Each bite is a symphony of flavors encased in a crunchy, flaky pastry. The tantalizing aroma is simply irresistible. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more delightful recipes.